Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about purchase invoice config in settings, how you can manage all the settings of purchase invoice. So let's dive in. First of all, you'll go to the right top where you will see the ID. Once you click on the ID, this drop down will drop where you'll see settings. So once you go to settings, you can see if you scroll down in sales configuration, purchase invoice config. So basically once you click on it, you'll see there are certain options here which you can set up, like the default tax rate you can set. You can also give the last invoice number from which you want to continue it. You have to give the year as well for that. Then this is something currently in work, so I mean currently in production, so I'll not explain about that. Then there is the purchase transfer stock option. Enabling this will allow you to transfer stock through your purchase invoices directly. I mean, you can perform it manually or directly. So if you want to perform it directly, like if you want to perform the inventory operation, like if the inventory should get added with the certain item directly automatically when you create the purchase invoice, you will simply click the auto inventory over here, and you have to select the warehouse. So once you click the purchase invoice, automatically the certain item will be added to that warehouse, and the stock of the certain item will increase. Then here is also, you can see the new purchase order format. You can change it to the old one. We also have a old one and a new one, so you can switch among between that. You can see whatever is suitable for you, and according to that you can switch it. Then there is this terms and conditions section. So here you can put whatever terms and condition that should appear in your purchase invoice. So you can put it over here. Then you can also choose the icon from here. You can choose it, then you simply click on submit. It will be saved. Basically that certain icon will display it in your purchase invoice. Basically that's it for the purchase invoice section. It's very simple and easy to use, and if there is any confusion, do let us know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.